Hi, Ingrid.
Hi, Olive. What's up? Not much.
So, I heard you recently joined the journalism club.
Yeah, I did.
So, how is it?
Mm, it's been fun so far, but I have a slight problem.
Really? Tell me about it.
So, I'm very new in journalism, and I have to make a digital newspaper that we post around the school. I don't even know how to make it.
No worries, Ingrid. Making a digital newspaper is so simple.
Digital newspaper is a digital version of a printed newspaper that usually consists of advertisements, articles, and even entertainment. Its sole purpose is to give out information as efficiently as possible to a particular audience. So, how do you make it? First, choose a platform, either Canva, Word, or any other platforms you know, in order to choose a template from it and create your newspaper. Second, you can start gathering information, data, and pictures or even diagrams in order to support your articles. Fourth, you can start inserting your information into your newspaper and divide it into sections according to what type of information you're going to take up. For example, a news section, a political section, an advertisement section, and an entertainment section. And after that, you're done. You have your newspaper and you can post it online. Easy, right?
Did you know that you can easily be a blogger?
What's that?
A blogger is a person who shares their thoughts, stories, tips, and whatever on their mind on the internet.
Yeah, why do I want to be a lame blogger?
People become bloggers to share their passion, experience, or expertise with others. If you love reading, a blog can help as a form of information and entertainment. You can even connect with people around the world who share a similar interest.
Well, how do I make one?
It's easy. You can choose thousands of free platforms to start one. Make an account, pick a theme, and just create your first post. You can even promote it on your social media to reach a wider audience. Just remember to be consistent and engaging.
Whoa, that's useful. Do you have one?
Yeah, here, let me show you. One of the easiest way to make one is with Google Sites. Creating a blog on Google Site is a straightforward process. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you set up a simple blog using Google Sites. Here, let's find Google Sites on the search bar. This is the first thing that will pop on, and you're gonna want to click on it. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account, and if you don't have one, you'll need to create an account. Now, Google Site offers templates. For a blog, you can select the basic template or any other template that suits your preferences. Give your site a name. This could be your blog's name or a title that represents the content you plan to share. Here, I already made a simple blog as an example. You can customize the header of your site by adding a title and description. This will be the first thing that visitors see when they open your blog. Now, to create a separate pages for different sections of your blog, such as home, about, and contact, you can add more pages as needed. To make this, you can click on the Pages tab on the right, click on the plus icon, and add a new page. Now you can start adding a title, content, images, and any other element you want. Now you can explore the customization options to change the design and layout of your site. You can modify colors, font, and other settings to match your preferences. Now you can review your site to see how it looks. When you're satisfied, click on the Publish button. Click on the Publish button to make your blog live. Share the link to your blog with others. You can also adjust the sharing settings if you want to control who can view or edit your blog. That's it! You successfully create a simple blog using Google Sites. Keep in mind that Google Site is a user-friendly platform, and you can continue to customize and enhance your blog as needed.
Hi Ingrid, how are you? Oh yeah, can you send this by 2 p.m. today? Yeah, thanks. Hi Olive. Jill, you look so stressed. What are you up to?
Yeah, this paper just too much. How can you even do this? I've got adults to catch one too.
Wait, you're doing it in Excel?
Yeah. We do it in Excel, right?
No wonder you pressure yourself that much. You can use Microsoft Access instead.
So, sorry, access? Access what?
It's basically a database management system for Microsoft where you can combine Access Database Engine with a graphical user interface and also software development tools. It helps you to store all kinds of information for reporting, analysis, and also reference. It is true that Access can help you to do such things, but Microsoft Access is specifically used for data collection and also sorting. So, do you get it?
Yeah. So, how do you use it?
Hand me those papers.
Here. Good morning, everyone. It's been a while since we've done our field training for our interns. So today, I'll be your trainer. But first, let's welcome Miss Rachel as our head of Customer Relationship Department.
Thank you, thank you. As we know, customer relationships are the most important things in a business. For 15 years, our company has been building a strong relationship with each of our customers. And that's what makes us today. I hope all of our trainees can learn something from Ingrid today. Thank you and enjoy your training.
Alright, before diving into practical training, let's start with learning some basic theories first, shall we? So to start, what is workflow charting? Workflow chart or process mapping will essentially is just a visual representation of a task or business process or a series of tasks within an organization that allows us to take a job activity from the start to finish. So mapping it allows us to streamline or analyze this process for the maximum efficiency. So the best place to start is understanding the key symbols. Now there's a lot more than the ones that we have on the screen, and it's important for you to familiarize yourself with them. But we will start off with the basic one that you're going to need to use. Creating a flowchart is so simple. You may use any online graphic design platform like Microsoft Word, Canva, and so on. So here, I want to teach you how to create a flowchart in Canva. When creating a flowchart, it is important to know the basic shapes and their use. For example, the shape is used to start or end the flowchart, and then these shapes are used to mark the process of the flowchart. Here we have process 1, process 2, and process 3 with different shapes for each process. And then we have the shapes. The shapes are used to mark the conditional manual operation, display, input or output, document, multiple documents, start loop, and end loop. And also, it's important to remember there is the flow arrow. So without any further ado, let's go to the tutorial. So, how to create a flowchart like this to boot client relationship? First, as you can see here, on the left side, we have elements, and then we choose shapes, and then scroll down until you find the most suitable shapes to represent what you want. Here, I want to make the start one, so I choose the shape, and then we can type the description. Create a request document. And then, yeah, we have 10. Also, to make another shape, for example, this one, the process shape, we can choose square, And then we can change to another color. And type the description. Send to targeted clients. And yeah, and also it's important to make the arrow. Do you think this one is correct? No, this one is incorrect. It's better to make the head of the arrow like this, so it will not confuse the reader of the direction of the flowchart. Here I have another example. So I hope this tutorial can be helpful for you to finish your text.